Hi to all, my name is Ezra Dark, and in today's video we have this, and we need to take the wheel off. So let's go. So here I am at the middle, so I found the relays. Relays are here. They are Lancia Fiat Alfa. I think that these are the first ones, and they are covered with this. It goes like this, and you simply put it here. Here is where are they covered, and they go like here, like this. So here you have two 10mm nuts, and you take this out, and then you have space for that. And before that you need to take this part out. Here are the screws. They are, you need Torx, and that is Torx 25, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. This one is located there, and these two, one goes here and one goes here. So one is here and one is over there, and that's it. Now I have to change this 6 relays, and I hope that's it, because the problem that I had is when I tried to start the car didn't do nothing. So I had to unplug the battery, then plug it back in, and then I could start the car. So I hope with this I'll fix the problem. So in my case they're equal. In my case the air one, so this one, air one is for horn, and I need, the others are important but the horn is not that important, but you can change all of them because it is a little job to do. So I'm gonna change all of them. You have to take this cover too. It goes like this, because you cannot change this one. Whew, let's go. So in my case this bag is so corroded that you cannot close this. So I'm gonna just wrap it. It goes like this, and then it goes up here. So in my case they are located like this. So here you need to take these two nuts and pull this out, and you know the rest. Now tight this, put cover, wheel, and before all that you can just plug the battery and try to not start the car, but just to put the power, so you are sure that it works up here. And it's good when you put the wheels on, you first hand tight the screws so that you don't damage the threads, like this. And now a little bit of park side and then wrench, and we are ready to start it. So when you put it to the jack stand, you see here you have, I don't know if you can see, nice place where you put it, and then you take out. And if you want to try this, so this is all the way down, it doesn't go down, and if you go underneath it, you simply cannot do that. You won't go. So now put the battery on and let's try to start it. And first we're gonna have all the different codes, and all you have to do is make full right and full left, and then when you turn it off and turn back on, you don't have any faults. So that's it. I hope that this fixed the problem. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for my next video, and don't forget to support me. Z3 Dark out. Bye.